To all of our craft professionals out there who work hard each and every day, I appreciate you. Thank you for all that you do. Be safe, and we'll see you soon.
Shout out to all the crafts people out there. You guys grind it out every day. Mud, muck, heat, rain, snow, it don't matter. You guys keep going. Big appreciation to you. Thank you guys. Here's to you.
Just wanted to give a quick shout out to all of our field craft. I left one of our job sites earlier this morning and the crew was out there working hard. The site looked great, but I know it's only a small sample size of many amazing things we got going on across the company and across the region. So to all of our job sites and all of our craft, I just want to say thanks so much for all your hard work and dedication. It doesn't go unnoticed. So take care, be safe, and I hope to see you soon.
You guys are the real ballers.
Hey, I just want to thank you all for the sacrifices you make for us to accomplish our goals for our clients, working the long hours, early mornings in 100-degree heat while staying focused on safety and watching out for each other is much appreciated. You guys are the backbone of our business. Thank you very much for everything you do.
Hola y buen día. Estoy hablando contigo hoy para que les agradezco a todos los trabajadores de casa. Es sus habilidades que hacer el suceso de casa. Deberían que estar orgullosos a ser parte de eso. Todos nosotros tenemos orgullo a trabajar contigo. Gracias.
Hey guys, just wanted to say thanks for all the hard work you guys put in every day. Your dedication not only to your craft, but also the company is what makes Castle truly successful. Thank you.
Yeah, I want to give a huge shout out to all of our skilled craft professionals. Thank you for your skill, knowledge, and dedication. It really makes Castle stand out. I am so proud and honored to work alongside some of the finest young men and women in our industry. Thank you so much.
Craft professionals across the country, thank you for everything you do. Your hard work and dedication is what makes Castle what it is. It makes me proud to say I work at Castle.
I'd like to take a moment to thank each and every one of our craft persons here at Castle Contracting for all the dedication and hard work that you all provide day in and day out on the job, making Castle successful by providing our clients with quality workmanship and meeting the deadlines that they need. And we appreciate you, we support you, and we thank you.
Thank you to all our craft men and women out in the field doing what you do every day. Your hard work and dedication is what separates Castle from all our competition. If you talk to our clients, it's definitely noticeable the way our people go about our work and how much they care about their company, how much they care about each other, and how much they care about the work that they do. So we really appreciate it. You're what makes Castle special, and just wanted to say thank you and stay safe.